Hi everyone, and welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. So before we start, please pause the video now and get all the ingredients ready you require to make this dish. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because then you'll get notified when I post new videos. And so let's not waste any more time and let's cook. But before we do start to cook, it's very important that we get everything ready before we start. When I started cooking these curries for my series, I had to spend good 3 hours getting the base gravy ready, getting the onions ready, and the chicken and all the other bits we need to create all different types of curries. And most importantly as well, we need to get our onions ready as well. There's 3 types of onions what we use in this style of cooking, and that is one, the Balti onions. I call them Balti onions because they are small, and it's what I used when I was making my Baltis back in the 80s. In the restaurant. So we need to get the Balti onions ready. We also need to get the Bhuna onions ready and the Dupiaza onions ready. The Dupiaza onions are mostly used in the Dupiaza dish and also in Dall fry. So they are like just boiled and cooked for about I think about 3 or 4 minutes, and that's it, you turn it off. And also the Bhuna onions, which is boiled and cooked for about 10 minutes, then you turn it off. And then you have everything basically ready to start your curries. And all the recipes for the onions you find in the descriptions. I'll leave a link. But also, most important as well, you need the mixed spice. I create my own mixed spice. This is what I used in my restaurant. So it's very simple to make. So get this ready, and then we're all ready to go basically. If you have any queries or any questions, please do not hesitate to ask in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And if I can, I will give you the information you need. So let's not waste any more time now and start cooking our curries. Hi everyone, I'm Chef Din, and today I'm going to show you how to make a tomato sauce instead of using tomato puree. This is much lighter in flavour, so we're going to grind up 1 tin of plum tomatoes. Make sure you get a good quality plum tomatoes. And then what we're going to do is first do a bit of tempering. We're going to put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a little saucepan. And in this, I'm going to put some cumin seeds, just to get this tempering going, as you can see. Make sure it's not too hot, the oil. We don't want it to burn now. And then in this, I'm going to also add some garlic crushed. So basically crush 2 cloves of garlic and let that just cook in a little bit before we add our tomato sauce. Now this will enhance the flavour a little bit more when you cook your BIR curries, so it's worth making. You can freeze it as well. I would freeze it into ice cubes and then just take a couple out to add to your curries when you cook your Pacific curries, like a Rogan or a Dupiaza or Dall fry and so on. So this is a nice sauce. What we're going to do is bring this to the boil and then let it simmer for about a good 15 to 20 minutes. What I've done is add in the spices here. We're going to add all the spices we need. That's cumin, turmeric, coriander powder, and also some paprika. And then we're going to bring this all to the boil and basically let it simmer for about 20 minutes. But what you must do as well, remember, is that get all your ingredients ready. You can pause the video at the beginning and get all your ingredients ready, then start to get this ready. It's very simple to do, but it will give it another level, your curry. So try this tomato sauce, what I'm showing you. Also, I'm adding a little bit of salt here just to balance it out. So this is my tomato sauce. It's good to have on hand. So like I say, you can make it up freeze it into ice cubes and keep it in the freezer in a bag. Then when you're cooking your curries, you can just add 1 or 2 cubes each time you make your curries, and it's so easy to keep as well. So anyway, this is my sauce. I hope it will give your curries a lot more flavour. So please let me know what you think of this sauce. It's a bit better than tomato puree, because I find tomato puree quite strong. So anyway, thanks for watching, and bye for now, and please let me know what you think in the comments.